What's the meaning of covering letter? Covering letter. Covering letter.
Covering letter. Covering letter. A covering letter, also known as a cover letter, is a document that accompanies a job application or other important correspondence. It provides a brief introduction to the applicant and their qualifications, and explains why they are a suitable candidate for the position they are applying for. A well-written covering letter can help to distinguish an applicant from others and may ultimately lead to an interview or job offer. It should be tailored to the specific job and company and be used to highlight the most relevant skills and experiences of the applicant.